straight down, but not through and through. Okay, now we're going to separate your thumbs apart slowly. Good job. Release your hands. Alright. Now we're going to do the cylinder. Paki-relax lang kamay nyo. Ako ang maglalagay ng pressure. Ako pati ang gagalaw. So, i-compress natin ganyan. And then we slide our fingers up, 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 hanggang taas, diba? Okay, one more time. Compress. And then slide our fingers up, up, up to the top. Alright, good job. Now we're going to fill it together. All you have to do is to slide your hands up without pressure. This is only to fill the clay, okay? So we just have to go up, walang pressure, up to the top. Huwag mong i-compress, para hindi siya mayupi. Okay, okay, that's enough, that's enough. Alright, that now is your cylinder. Now, out of this cylinder, you are going to shape it. So, in shaping, ang pressure manggagaling muna from your inside hand. Itong left ang luloob. Tapos, itulak mo siya palabas habang tinutulak, tinataas. This one will go inside. Okay? All you have to do is to push. Push. Go. Push. As you push, you go up. 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 Up to the top. Up. 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 Very good. At the very, very tip in here, you just have to stay a second, a 2, a 3, and then slowly release. Oh, diba? Okay, one more time. Start it from there. Okay, push. Put pressure. Push. Alright, now you go up. Push. As you push, you go up. Up. Dahan-dahan lang. Dahan-dahan. Up. Up to the top. When you reach the very tip, stay a second. A 2, a 3. You'd realize it gets steady and then slowly release. I want you to do it alone, okay? Push it. Huwag mong gamitin ito. Ito lang. You just have to put pressure and push. Sige, push. 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 Push mo. Yan. Up. Dahan-dahan. Dahan-dahan. Up. Yes. You did it. Very good. And this is your ramen bowl. Isn't that a boat? Can you do it one more time?
Hey!
Okay, 1, 2, 2.
Sige. 3. Okay.
Galing!
Very good. You see?
Jill, video mo na si Mami.
Now we're going to smoothen it.